Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rayhan Fahmi. I am from class 5D. In this video, I would like to explain about the material about correlational designs. Correlational research. Correlational research measures association between variables without manipulation. This means researchers observe and measure variables as they naturally occur without intervening or manipulating them. Second is developed from limitations of experimental research. Correlational studies are often used when it's impossible, unessential, or impractical to conduct an experiment. There are types of correlational design. First is explanatory. Explanatory describes relationships, does not imply cautions. This type focuses on identifying the nature and strength of the relationship between variables, but it doesn't determine cause and effect. Second is predictive. Predict one variable based on another. This type uses the known relationship between variables to forecast the value of one variable based on the value of another. Let's continue to main characteristic. First is data visualizations, graphs, and tables. Visual representations help illustrate the relationship between variables. Second is correlational analysis from strength or direction. Statistical method determine the strength, how strong the relationship is, and direction, positive or negative, of the relationship. The last is simultaneous analysis of multiple variables. Correlational studies can examine relationships among more than two variables at once. Now continue to ethical considerations. Participant privacy and data confidentiality. Protecting the privacy and confidentiality of participants is crucial. Second is addressing power imbalances. Researchers must be mindful of any power imbalances between themselves and participants and take steps to mitigate them. There are research steps. First is assess design appropriateness, determining if a correlational design is suitable for the research questions. And next is identify participant or measures, selecting participant and choosing appropriate method for measuring the variables. Collect data, monitor validity, gathering data, and ensuring the accuracy and reliability of the measurement. Last is analyze and interpret result, using statistical method to analyze the data and drawing meaningful conclusions. The last is for evaluation criteria, designing appropriateness for researchers' question. Does the correlational design effectively address the research questions? Sample representativeness. Does the sample accurately reflect the population being studied? Next is validity and reliability of measures. Are the measurements accurate and consistent? Next is data analysis suitability. Are the statistical method appropriate for the type of data collected? The last is consistency in result. Are the findings consistent across different analyses? Okay, thank you for listening. Thank you for watching the video. That's my explanation about the correlational designs. Thank you. The last, I'll say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.